Welcome, everyone, to Learn English with Maria. I'm so happy you're here today. In this episode, we're going to practice real English conversations that you can use at a cafe, whether you're ordering a coffee, asking for a table, or just chatting with a friend over a cup of tea. This lesson will help you feel confident and sound natural in English. So many learners feel nervous when they go to a cafe. What should I say? How do I order politely? What if I don't understand the menu? If you've ever asked yourself these questions, don't worry. You'll get the answers while we practice. Just listen, speak along, and imagine yourself walking into your favorite cafe, ready to speak English like a pro. Let's start. You walk in. You see a staff member at the counter. You smile and say, "Hi, good morning. Can I see the menu, please?" The person hands you the menu. You look at it for a moment. Then you say, "What kind of coffee do you have?" They tell you your options. Now, you decide. "I'll have one cappuccino, please." Then, you might want to customize it. "Can I get that with oat milk?" "Is it available in medium size?" Maybe you want something sweet too. "What cakes do you have today?" "I'll try the carrot cake. That looks nice." Now you ask about where to sit. "Can I sit anywhere?" "Is there a table near the window?" Sometimes you might want to work or relax there. "Do you have Wi-Fi?" "What's the Wi-Fi password?" "Need help or something extra?" "Can I get a glass of water, please?" "Do you have any napkins?" Maybe you're not alone. You're with a friend. "Hi, I already ordered. What are you getting?" "Oh, nice. I love iced coffee too. Let's sit outside. It's such a nice day." And while you sit together, you make small talk. "This place is so cozy, right?" "The coffee tastes amazing." "I needed this break." When you're done and ready to leave, you say, "Can I have the bill, please?" "Do you accept card?" "Thank you. Everything was great." Perfect. Let's keep going. You're doing great. Now that you've got the basic flow of a cafe conversation, let's dive a little deeper. We'll explore different situations that can happen at a cafe and give you the English you need to handle them smoothly. Imagine this. You walk into a new cafe for the first time. Maybe the menu is unfamiliar or it's written in English only. What do you say? "Excuse me, can you help me choose something?" "What do you recommend?" These two sentences are so helpful. The staff will usually be happy to tell you what their popular drinks or snacks are. It also makes you sound friendly and confident. Now, suppose you want something specific, but you're not sure if they have it. "Do you have matcha latte?" "Do you serve decaf coffee?" "Is there a sugar-free option?" Let's say you're on a diet or just want something light. "Do you have any low-calorie snacks?" "Is this sandwich vegetarian?" "Does this have any dairy in it?" All of these are great ways to ask for what you need politely. Now let's change the situation a little. You've placed your order and now you're waiting for your drink. What kind of things might you say? "I'm just gonna wait at the table. I'll come back to pick it up. Can you let me know when it's ready?" And sometimes you might want to double-check your order. "Sorry, did I ask for iced or hot? I wanted it with almond milk. Is that okay?" "Just checking, is it takeaway?" All very natural, very useful. Now, what if something is wrong with the order? This happens sometimes, right? Here's how to politely handle it. "Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered." "Sorry, I asked for no sugar in my coffee." This is cold. Can I please get a hot one? Being calm and polite helps a lot. And of course, if the service is good, it's always nice to say, "Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. This is perfect. Thank you." Let's move to another scenario. You're with a group of friends, or maybe you're having a work meeting at the cafe. Can we move the tables together? Do you mind if we sit here for a while? Can we have one more chair, please? And now let's say you've been working there for a bit, maybe on your laptop or reading. You want to be polite and not overstay. Is it okay if I stay a bit longer? I'll order something else soon. Let me know if I need to move. And when it's time to leave, could I get the bill, please? Can I pay at the counter? Thanks, everything was great. Awesome. Let's keep the energy flowing. You're doing amazing. And this is the perfect time to build your vocabulary and really understand what all those cafe words mean. These are the kinds of words you see or hear all the time, especially when you're reading a menu or placing an order. Let's go through them one by one in a natural way, just like we're chatting. So you walk into a cafe and the first thing you usually see is the menu board. It might have words like espresso. This is a small, strong shot of coffee. It's the base for most coffee drinks. If you like strong coffee, you can say, "I'll have a double espresso, please." Americano. This is espresso with hot water added, so it's not too strong, but still has a bold flavor. You might say, "Can I get an Americano with a splash of milk?" Latte. This is espresso with steamed milk. It's creamy and smooth. A great choice if you like light coffee. You could say, "I'll take a vanilla latte, please." Cappuccino. Similar to a latte, but with more foam and sometimes chocolate sprinkled on top. It's a classic, and many people love it. Mocha. Coffee with chocolate and milk. It's like a coffee and hot chocolate mix. A great sentence could be, "Do you have mocha? I'd like one with extra chocolate." Macchiato. A stronger drink, usually just espresso with a small amount of milk or foam. It's for people who like their coffee bold, but with a little softness. Flat white. This one is similar to a latte, but smaller and stronger. Great for people who want a milk-based drink with a stronger coffee taste. Now, moving on to milk options. These are super common, and it's helpful to know how to ask. Do you have almond milk? Can I get it with oat milk? Is soy milk available? These are great ways to personalize your drink, especially if you're avoiding regular dairy. Now, let's talk about sugar and sweeteners. Can I get it with no sugar? Do you have brown sugar or honey? Is there a sugar-free option? If you like your drink extra sweet, you can say, "Can I get an extra pump of syrup?" Now, some words you'll often hear in cafes include dine-in. This means you'll sit and eat or drink at the cafe. Can I have this for dine-in? Takeaway, or to go, this means you're taking it with you. I'll get a latte to go. Shot. A shot usually refers to a serving of espresso. Can I add an extra shot of espresso? Whipped cream. A sweet, fluffy topping often used in frappes or mochas. Can I have whipped cream on top? Foam. That light, bubbly milk you see on cappuccinos. Do you want more or less foam? Can I get extra foam? Iced. A cold version of your coffee or tea. Can I get an iced Americano? Hot. The regular warm version. I'd like a hot chocolate, please. Now, how about snacks and food vocabulary at a cafe? You might see muffins, croissants, brownies, sandwiches, bagels, scones, donuts, wraps, cookies. So how do you ask politely? What pastries do you have today? Can I see the food menu? Do you have anything gluten-free? Is this sandwich vegetarian? All right, let's keep going. And you're doing amazing, by the way. Now let's make your English even more natural and confident by learning how to compliment the service, give feedback, or simply connect with people at the cafe, whether it's the staff, a barista, or a friendly stranger at the next table. Sometimes when we like something, we stay quiet because we don't know what to say. But in English, small compliments go a long way. They sound friendly, and they also help you connect with others. Here are some natural compliments you can say. This coffee is really good. I love how smooth this latte is. The cake is delicious. It's so fresh. The service is excellent. This is one of the best cafes I've been to. And here are ways to give feedback politely if something could be better. Sorry, this is a bit too sweet for me. I think my drink got cold quickly. I usually like it with less milk. Could I get it that way next time? Notice how polite and gentle that sounds. That's the key in English. You don't have to be perfect, just clear and kind. Now, let's say you're a regular customer and you want to talk to the staff a bit more. Maybe you want to get to know the barista or the person at the counter. Hi, how's your day going? Is it usually this busy around this time? You guys always make great coffee here. Or let's say you see someone at another table reading a book you love. You could say, hey, that's one of my favorite books. Is it your first time here? Do you come here often? These are very natural ways to make small talk in a relaxed place like a cafe. Now, let's go into a few more specific situations. For example, what if you're working remotely from a cafe? Is it okay to work here for a while? Do you mind if I use my laptop here? Can I sit near a power outlet? Or maybe you're studying English and want a quiet spot. Is there a quieter corner I can sit in? I have an online class. Is that all right? If you ever need to cancel or change your order, here's what you can say. Actually, can I change my order? Sorry, I meant to ask for an iced one. Can I cancel that and order something else instead? And now, just for fun, let's talk about how to describe your favorite cafe in English. This is a great speaking practice and can help your fluency a lot. It's a cozy little place with really good coffee. The music is soft and relaxing. The staff are always friendly and helpful. I love the wooden tables and the natural light. Their sandwiches are amazing. I always get the grilled cheese. You can try describing your local cafe like that, even to yourself in front of a mirror. It's a great way to practice real-life English. Great! Let's wrap it up right here. You've just learned everything you need to speak confidently and naturally at any cafe. From ordering your favorite coffee and asking for extras, to giving feedback, making small talk, and even working or studying in a cozy spot. These are the real conversations that help you grow in English every single day. So next time you step into a cafe, remember, you've got the words, the confidence, and the practice. Speak without fear, enjoy the moment, and keep learning. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Maria for more real-life English lessons that actually help you speak better every day. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.